Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. My name is Azad, aka the B Game Ranger, and today I am back with another exciting video for you guys to show. So this is not going to be any reaction video of a game, video, movie or anything like that. This is going to be a review video, and review is going to be on the product that I just bought from the Audionic, and that is the AirPods Pro 425. It just arrived, so वॉइस जो है वो सही नहीं आती, तो इस वजह से मैंने ये परचेज़ की है. सो लेट्स सी कि अब इनकी ऑडियो क्वालिटी कैसी है, तो इसके बाद मैं इस पर रिव्यू दूंगा. सो अनबॉक्सिंग करेंगे. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर दिस वीडियो एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड इनटू इट. ऑलराइट, सो वेलकम बैक. दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट. The name of the product is AUDIONIC AirPods Pro 425. Just recently ordered, just to see how does it work and the quality, mic quality, sound quality. So let's just unbox it. So this product cost me almost 4,000 PKR. As you can see, I've ordered it in black color. This device comes in 4 different colors: black, white, gray, and maybe white and blue, something, I don't know. मेरा ऑडियो का थोड़ा सा मसला होता था, मतलब कि मेरी जो माइक्रो की जो आवाज़ होती थी ना, माइक की, वो आवाज़ सही नहीं आ रही थी क्योंकि मेरे पास कोई हेडफोन था नहीं. तो मैंने इसी वजह से ये ऑर्डर किया. सो इसके बाद होपफुली की आवाज़ सही आएगी. और इसमें तकरीबन जो है 4 माइक्स हैं. तो 4 माइक्स हैं तो फिर आवाज़ तो अच्छी आनी चाहिए. इसके पीछे डिटेल्स लगी हुई हैं. डिटेल्स क्या है? USB-C चार्जिंग 7 एंड ऑटो पेयरिंग, एयरबड्स चार्जिंग, 1 ईयर की वारंटी, बार कोड भी है. ओके, इसका नाम है 425. राइट, सो या क्वाड माइक इंक. So that is why I purchased this product, because I just want my audio to transfer to you guys very crystal clear. तो मैंने गंजी स्वैग जो है यूट्यूबर, उनका मैंने ये वीडियो देखी थी, तो मैं सोचा इसको ऑर्डर करके देखते हैं. Use samples. Okay, so ये आ गया है. Right, so they give me a warranty card. You can get 1 year of warranty for this device, man. This is good. और ये मैनुअल है इसके. हाँ, ये देखिए. As you can see, I've told you it's come with 4 different colors, and it's a black one, black, white, and white and gray. I personally like this one, but I've ordered the black one because no, it's not a black one, it's a gray one. Alright, so as I was saying, we have a C-type charging cable to charge this. We got 3 different pods, 4 different pods. And inside this, there's so this is the thing that I've been looking for, the AirPods. Okay, the AirBuds 425, Audionic. It is stuck in it, no coming out. Yeah, inside ऐसा है इसका चिका. So these are the AirPod Pro. It's already open, I think. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna be using from now on. I'm going to be using these AirPods Pro, and to see my quality, uh, just to check my quality. Or okay, that's it for today's video. If you guys like my content, what you need to just subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Alright guys, so just wanted to show you guys how does it look on your ears. So yeah, it look good, and I don't know how does it sound. So right now the audio that you can hear is coming out from these AirPod Pro. So yeah, so that's it for today's video. If you guys like my content, just do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any other requests that you would like to see on my YouTube channel, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.